Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick running late grab and go makeup tutorial. We all run late sometimes, and I hate when, you dress up cute and then you don't have enough time to do your makeup because then the outfit will feel incomplete without your makeup. So I've put together a little grab and go makeup bag. I think it's good for everybody to have a few essential products in a makeup bag ready to grab and go for when you're running late to do your makeup, like in the car, on the bus, or like in the bathroom right when you get to work or school or something. So let's get to it. First we're going to start off with chapstick. It'll give this a little bit of time to do this first, so it'll set into your lips while you're doing the rest of your makeup. Next, I'm going to use a pot eyeshadow. I'm using the e.l.f. Smudge Pot in the shade Ain't That Sweet. And this is a really easy product to use because you don't have to use your a brush or anything. You can just use this with your fingers, and you can use this on your eyes to highlight with, or as an eyeshadow, and you can use it on your cheeks to highlight with, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just dip my finger in it like so and get a little bit out, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbone with that. Very shimmery and pretty. You might want to take what's left on your finger and drag it down your nose a little bit. Whoop. Okay, and then we're going to put some on the eyes. I'm just rubbing it on my eyelid, just with my finger. This might be a little bit harder if your nails are longer. My nails are short right now, but if you have like a longer makeup bag, you can fit a little eyeshadow brush in there to do this with. So I've done 2 coats of the e.l.f. Smudge Pot on my eyelids with my fingers, and now we're going to go in with some liquid eyeliner. So while your eyeliner is drying, you can move on and do your brows. I'm using a brow product that has a powder on one side and a pencil on the other. Now I'm going to apply the brow powder over the pencil. This just fills in your eyebrows and completes any spots that you might have missed with the pencil, so your brows look more uniform. So now that our brows are done, we're going to move on to mascara. I'm using a mascara that has a dual end, so one end is bigger for upper lashes and one end is thinner for lower lashes, and depending on the look you want, you can use the fluffier one or the thinner one. I'm going to use the thinner one. We're only going to do a light layer of mascara because when you're in a rush, you don't always have the time to sit here and coat your lashes perfectly. But mascara can make a big difference when you're wearing a little bit of makeup. That can really just put the cherry on top of your look without having to do, like, a full face. Now that our lashes are done, our eye look is complete. The little bit of highlight we're going to do is added. I'm going to go in with a lip gloss. This is the Revlon Lip Gloss in the shade Snow Pink. It's number 205. I'm choosing to use a lip gloss over a lipstick or a matte lippy because this you can literally just throw on and you don't have to be as precise. So it's a very quick and easy way to add a pop to your face. And now our look is complete. You have not a full face of makeup, but pretty much you have all the main aspects that make it look like you're wearing makeup and have everything tied together and completed. And all you gotta do is just grab your products and throw them in your little bag and throw the bag in your bag. And you're good to go. You can do this on a bus. Just be careful when you're, doing your eyeliner and your mascara, but everything else you should be able to do like in a moving vehicle. Obviously don't do this while you're driving. But yeah, this look probably took me about 5 minutes to do or less. The things that take the most time is really like the mascara and the eyeliner. But everything else you can just slap on and go. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss out when I post. Thank you for watching. Bye.